Welcome home to 3122 Meadowstone Lane in vibrant Atlanta, Georgia. This well cared for 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home blends comfort, convenience, and a modern design, all in a location that puts everything within reach. Step inside to an open floor plan where the spacious living room flows effortlessly into the dining space and kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a large island that's perfect for cooking or gathering. This kitchen truly feels like the heart of the home. Upstairs, unwind in the serene owner's suite featuring a walk-in closet and a private bath with dual vanities and a step-in shower. The 2 additional bedrooms offer flexible space for guests, a home office, or whatever fits your lifestyle. You'll also enjoy the ease of an upstairs laundry room, a private backyard for quiet mornings or weekend grilling, and an attached 1-car garage. Located minutes from Camp Creek Marketplace, I-285, and the airport, this home offers the perfect mix of comfort and connectivity. If you're looking for a move-in ready home in one of Atlanta's most accessible communities, this is the one. Like this home? Don't wait. Schedule your private showing today by calling or texting us at 404-483-4652. Be sure to subscribe for more beautiful listings and follow us for real estate tips, tours, and local market insights. Your next chapter starts here at 3122 Meadowstone. Enjoy the rest of your tour.